folks, spring is here. Plants are everywhere, as we've been letting you know, but this week and next week are the two peak weeks for variety. We have a lot of different things in, so woolly thyme, variegated marjoram. We've got tubs for Mother's Day of the hummingbird airport. It's a great plant for hummingbirds. We've got citrus in, perennials are in bloom, 35 different tomatoes, over 35 different varieties of pepper, flowers everywhere as well. So if you're only going to come out once a year, now is the time to come on out. Huge variety of everything you might not see again till this time next year. So as always, we look forward to seeing you at the farm.